Welcome back to Marketing Lab. It's been a while we have met last time. Today we are going to discuss on Marketo. Basically today I'm trying to start a new series for new co- for the people who are new to Marketo as an automation tool. We'll be discussing how to implement Marketo as a tool. In our previous videos we have discussed a lot about marketing tactics. We have discussed about a lot of other stuff, the usage of Marketo as a marketing automation tool. Now I'm trying to make certain videos where I can tell you how to actually use Marketo in a real time scenarios. There are a lot of features available in Marketo, and we will be exploring them one by one. For today's session, we will be only covering the basic of Marketo, the basic feature or basic utility what Marketo can be used into making the landing pages. So our today's video would be divided in these four parts. We will be touching only these four features of Marketo. It's a basic feature introduction to Marketo, Marketo Dashboard, landing pages, and A/B test. It's on today's agenda. So it's a it's an introduction screen to Marketo. Whenever you will log in Marketo, the first screen which you will see is this. There you will get different type of tiles like marketing activities, design studio, database, analytics, performance insights, email insights, community, web personalization, content, and Marketer Skype. I'll tell you brief about all these styles one by one. Marketing activity is a workspace, is an area where you will make your all campaigns, where your all campaigns will lie. Whenever you will design a campaign, it will comprise of many different things, and marketing activity, you can say it's a workspace where you will keep all the things intact. Design studio, it's primarily used to keep all assets intact at one place. All assets available in marketing in design studio, let's say if it is a landing pages, it is an email or any other asset can be used in Marketo in through all over campaigns present in marketing activities. So basically you can say that the campaigns present in marketing activities will be referring to assets which will be lying in design studio. Database is a section of Marketo workspace where your all leads lie. All these leads will also be referred to marketing activities, as I've already mentioned that the campaign will only lie in marketing activity workspace, but the actual location of all those leads will be in lead database only. Analytics is a portion where you will find all analytics about your campaigns and all your leads. Performance insights is similar to analytics, and you will find performance insights for your engagement programs, for your smart campaigns, and other stuff. Email insights will provide you performance of your different sort of different type of email that you will design. Community is a global community workspace where you will find all your marketer users at one place, and you can interact, you can find your queries, you can put your queries, you can find solution for that. It's actually very important and very very highly utilized and highly referred place for Marketo users, because normally you won't find much content for Marketer available on internet, and for high level Marketer users, community resources becomes a one-stop solution for all the things. Web personalization is a utility which Marketer provides you for personalization on web pages. Content is basically a utility designed for making contents. So let's start one by one. This is your marketing activities workspace will look like, or look like. On left hand side you will have different account, whatever workspace you will have. If you have, generally you will have only one workplace, and that will be all, and all folders and all subfolders will be visible on left hand side of your screen. When you will explore more, when you will go more into Marketer, we will be dealing with all these folders and subfolders one by one, and we'll be exploring them in depth. On left hand side top and corner you will find history, admin section, community, and help. History will give you the whatever the recent campaigns or whatever the recent assets you would have referred or used in Marketo. All these things will be there at one stop solution in your history tab. It basically can be used to reach out to any asset at one go. You don't have to go inside marketing activities and then search for your smart campaign. You can straight away go into history and reach up to your defined smart campaign or a folder. Admin is a exclusive right, is only given to admin users. It's not available for all type of users. Basically, when you're designing your user role, when you are assigning your roles to your different users, you're inviting new users to the market, or then this particular functionality is used, and ideally there should not be more than one admin to one account. Community, as I already mentioned, community is a workplace where you can discuss your ideas, where you can discuss your queries, and so on and so forth. Let's move forward. So when we talk about Marketo, the basic first thing you have to understand, what are assets. Assets that you can develop in Design Studio. Basically, there are multiple type of assets, as you can see on left and right side, both landing pages, template, test groups, forms, emails, and snippets. We will go one by one for all these things. Today agenda will be focused on landing pages and its test group. So when you will log in into Design Studio, similar to marketing activities, as you will enter, you log into Marketer, you will go in first screen, and you just have to click on the Design Studio tile. You will straight away enter a page where you will see the Design Studio on your page. And if you when you will click on new, you will find all these options like new landing page template, new test group, new form, email template, and new snippets. We will discuss it one by one today, but in this video we will be primarily focused on new landing page. So to start with new landing page, you just have to click on the new landing page. Before going to design of new landing page, let's understand what are types of landing page available. So there are a couple of couple of forms of landing page. One is free form landing page, and another one guided landing page. Free form landing page is simple to use. It's a simple drag and drop functionality. Whatever content you want, wherever you can place it. You have a freedom to put it. You have freedom to move it here and there. The template is like slide in PowerPoint, just a background. It's a simple mobile version of your page with a click of a button. So basically, it is designed for users who are new to Marketo, and they don't have that much technical skills, so they can easily use the free form landing page. You won't find much complexity for designing this sort of page. Another one is guided landing pages, where the predefined layout structure is defined by template. So it is for those guys who are a hard coder, and they are making a landing page for a much advanced website or much advanced landing pages. It requires a lot of coding, so the people who are good in coding can use that. Look and feel across devices determined by rule built in template. So basically it will be based on template. Whatever template you will fix, a template how you will design, the whole guided landing page will be based on that particular template. So in a nutshell, if you want to understand what's the basic difference between free form and guided landing page, the basic difference lies with the amount of freeness it gives. Free form landing page provides a lot of flexibility. It's really easy to use, whereas guided landing page, it requires a lot of coding, and it requires a lot of technical skills or CSS styling, HTML codings to maintain that. Although for a complex landing pages, it is always recommended to use a guided landing page, but yes, freeform landing page is easy to use, and any starter can start using it from first one go. So this is again the first screen that you will get once you log in into Marketo. You straight away have to go to marketing design studio to reach up to landing page. When you click on design studio, the first thing you will get on your left hand side corner is a different folders, the by default folders which would be present in every Marketo workspace and on every Marketo account. for example, landing page, you will get it out there. You just have to click on that. On right hand side you will find an option new, and when you click on new you will find different options like creation a new landing page template, new test group, new form, email template snippet, upload image and grab image from web. We will be discussing them one by one. So let's start with creating a new landing page. You just have to click on select new landing page, and you you will get a template, a free form template appear in your another tab in your screen. On right hand side you will find a lot of insert element key which you can put out in your landing page. Let's suppose you can drag and drop rich text. If you want to enter a text, like I have already entered, this is a dynamic page, so it is nothing but a rich text being dragged and dropped into my marketing landing page, and I have just edited to this particular text. This is then dynamic page. Similarly, we can pick form and then put it on this page, and then once you will put the form properties will get open, that we will discuss in next section, how to define the form properties. And similarly there are multiple more options, like you can put image. When you will put image, it will ask from where you can grab your image, the rectangle, the HTML coding, the snippet, referral, social buttons, referral offers, videos, polls, sweep stocks. We will discuss these one by one in our future videos. So this is a very primary, very basics landing page, where it is just to make you understand that when you will create a new landing page, this is an insert element from section which you will get on right hand side, and you can drag and drop any element to the landing page as per your requirement. Now when you will design your landing page, you will be having a landing page actions on your left hand side of the page. You can approve every landing page. For before getting used, it has to be approved. It is not necessary to be closed, but it has to be approved. Unless you won't approve it, you won't be able to find it in your smart campaign. When you will approve it, then only you will be able to find that in using it in a smart campaign. Second option is turned off mobile version. We'll discuss it later. Now this is on right hand side you will find a mobile. When you will click on this mobile, you will simply be asked to activate this mobile version. So Marketo has an inbuilt functionality which will make your landing page responsive as as per the platform. So this one is the landing page which you are making for desktop, and when you will click on mobile, it will ask you to activate it, and once you will activate it, the version will be ready as a responsive for mobile also. The second option, the edit page meta text, it is used for your web crawlers, for your so that your page should be easily searchable on Google. How we have to fill details in this, we will see in further slides. Another, the edit form setting, we will discuss it on later videos. Upload image, you have functionality where you can upload the image on your landing page from your system. Like I have this banner you can see on top of this landing page. This has been grabbed from my internal system. How are we gonna use it? We'll discuss in later slides. Grab image from where you can straight away grab image from web pages also. So this is the option which you will get once you will click on turn off mobile version. Here we have activated it. Once you will activate it, the option will be turn off mobile version, and when you will click on turn off mobile version, this option will be popped out on your screen. If you disable it, your landing page will again be non-responsive. Another option we are going to discuss, edit page meta text. So this is, once you will click on this, you will be getting this pop-up title. You can give, this is basically nothing but for SEO implementation of your web page. The title you can give keywords, whatever keywords you want to put it for your Google crawlers or web crawlers to search for. You can put those keywords out there. Description you can keep out there. Robot, index, and no follow. It's a basic thing which is used when you want to index your web page. custom head HTML. If you want to put some HTML code out there, if you want to put some Facebook OG tags, you can put out here. So this is basically all related to SEO. So once you will click on this edit page meta tag, this pop-up will open and you can enter your details out there. Upload image and file. It's nothing. Another pop-up. You will have to say save in a folder. It's basically upload image from which folder. So when you will save in a folder, choose image, and then particular image will get pulled up and it will be used in landing page. Like for example, I've used this image on the right hand side. I have simply choose image from folder of my desktop of my laptop, and I've used this image on the right hand side of a page. Another functionality which is available on landing page, suppose you want to publish your landing page on your Facebook account. So it is very pretty much simple. Publish Facebook, you just have to click on publish Facebook. It will ask you to log in your Facebook account, and once you will do that, you reach to the second step, that is create tab. So tab has to be created, but so for creating tab you has to have admin rights in your Marketo. Unless you have admin rights for your Marketo on your Facebook page, you won't be able to publish your page on Facebook. And this is the way how once you'll click on this publish button, and this is how your landing page, whatever you design, it will be visible on your Facebook. Now what is test group? Now let us suppose it's a common practical scenario that you have a you could have a multiple designs of your landing page, and you want to test which landing page will be most effective one for your for your conversions. So like we have in email, we have a A/B testing. Similarly, we for landing page in Marketo we have a test groups. We call it a A/B test group. So similarly, you can make a test group where you can put multiple landing pages, not even only two. We can put multiple landing pages, and you can easily measure their landing page performance through landing page performance report, and you will find the conversion. Whoever whichever landing page is having higher conversion, yeah, it will be visible on that, and similar, and you can easily judge which landing page you should use. So once you have a one landing page created, like I have a Priyank Saraswat form 1.0 landing page already created, I have to make a new test group from selecting this new tab. Once you will click on that, you will ask for the name and the page URL. It will be auto generated. The lower portion you will have to select the pages you want part to be A/B test. Here I have made a simple two pages. One is having the image and one is not having any image. I have simply selected those two landing page out here and simply created. And once you will create that, on left hand side you can see your A/B test got created, and below that inside this A/B test you will find your both pages, and on right hand side you can find a group members for these landing pages. On right hand side you can easily find report also, as you can, it's not completely visible. Apps views and all those conversions and all will be there, so you can easily judge which landing page is performing better, and you can select that particular landing page for your campaigns. Like if you want to this edit and group members, you can also edit them. If you want to add new test page, it's not compulsory to only to use two test pages, you can add more. You want to delete the test group, you can easily delete the test group, but you need to approve the test group to get this report generated. This is one more thing I want to discuss out here, is this URL tools. It is nothing but when you will click on this URL tool, you can customize your URL. Whatever landing page would be there, those landing page would be having one URL. So if you want to customize that as per your, you want to put your CNAME, or you want to make it more easily conversible, you want to make it more rememberable, so you can go into URL tools and you can customize your URL tool. So basically the backend URL will remain the same, but the URL which will be used for promotion can be customized as per your requirement.